Yes. Check here as part of automation, we'll see like how we are automating most of the administrative activities. One is here like job is it. By using jobs here, we can schedule any activities. Means like what are the common maintenance tasks are there? Those maintenance activities we are scheduling here by creating the jobs. Right. Check it to implement automation jobs are there. In the same way, like basically here, like we can schedule the jobs here. We can sh- schedule the jobs as well as here run manually. We can run the jobs manually also, or even uh, we can call the jobs here using alert. Okay, so by using through alert also we can call the job. So alerts are there, we'll see next. It depends on the scenario, we can configure the alerts. Means what, like if want to perform something depends on some event or depends on some scenario, we have alerts are there. Yeah, we can configure the alerts also. So alerts also can call the job. Suppose let's say whenever my CPU usage is above 90%. Okay, so I want to send the email notification. For that purpose, we are using the alerts here. Means threshold value is how much? 90%. So automatically alert should be executed. Like this, like we'll see that one next one alerts. So that's why jobs we can schedule manually, we can run as well as we can call the jobs through alert. The same way, say, like we can make the job to run continuously also here. Continuously means once we start the job, it will run continuously till we stop manually. Means what, if want to monitor CPU usage, memory usage, so we can run the jobs continuously. Okay, right, right. So those are say like jobs are there. Job, once again remember, job is a collection of steps. In a job we have collection of steps are there. Okay, means what, like in the step, remember actual logic we are writing. The step we are writing, what actual logic we are writing here, the step. Okay, so that's why remember we can write the uh, job logic in the step. Again say like a step uh, can be defined here using tsql command. We can create the steps here, we can define what using tsql, we can command or powershell or windows yeah, command shell, anything here we can use. Even like the step may be created with SSIS package also, like different options are there. But generally directly we can write tsql commands here in a step. Tsql command we can write in a step. Okay? That is like yeah, steps are there. Right, right. So let's say we'll go to we'll create a jobs here. Create a job to take MSDB backup daily at some times here. If job fail means due to any reason, I want to get email. He say, okay. Whenever the job fail, automatically I want to get the email notification. Okay. Okay, I will connect to any one instance. I think yesterday you have configured DB mail in one of your instance. So another instance. Okay, no problem. Here also it is there DB mail configuration. Yeah, here we have configured. Okay, check here after configuring DB mail. We have created one operator also with the required email IDs, recipients email IDs. Okay. Now check here. I'm creating a job. No, new job. So job names here MSDB. Full backup at 9 p.m. Anything here. So always make it is best practice here. Make job owner as SCA or create a separate login for job owners. Don't leave as it is. By default, it is taking my names here. Uh, by using this name, I have logged in correctly. By using this name. Tomorrow, let's say, as the admin, I have left the organization, for example. Uh, then what we can do is now, uh, let's say our team members will delete my account login, then all the jobs will fail. That's the best practice. Use either SA or create a separate login for jobs here. Go to steps, new step, step names here, full backup. Same thing, just we have seen backup database name to disk is equal to password name. Correct, it is saying syntax is correct. Okay. Go to schedule. Here we can schedule here, new schedule, full backup, daily schedule. Again, I'm saying occurs daily at some times here. So we can define the timing. Check here now. Right now it is 7:20. Just for testing purpose, I'm saying 7:22 p.m. See here, automatically here job will run at this time. So it will take backup of database. Now see here, the notifications I'm saying select email, send email to this operator when the job fail. I'm saying here. Means what? Whenever the job fail, automatically email is sent to this operator. Operator is nothing but what? This is our DBS team members. Already we have created one operator with the email ID of our DBS team. Okay, right, right. That's like let's see automatically whenever the job fail automatically email. See options are there success. Whenever the job success will get mail, fail means failure, complete means either success or fail also will get emails here. Generally we can go with failure. Okay, failure. Okay, right. One second. Right. Okay. Yes. Check it like I will say okay. Job is ready, but already 7:22. Uh, yeah, means like actually depends on the schedule time. Automatically the job will run. Double click, we can change the schedule, we can change the notifications also. Edit, that's why I'm saying automatically here at 7:24. Automatically alert will fire, it will yeah, call. Sorry, automatically the SQL Server agent service will run this job. Okay, automatically. So we'll see if the job success, there is no email. If the job fail, we'll get automatically email notification. If the job fail, click here, the backups folder, backups 10. Okay, yeah, check it. Just now backup is generated automatically at 7:24. 1 second. Okay, executed successfully. But let's say we'll make the job to fail so that we'll get email. 1 minute. Yes, sir. So check it like success, but let's wait. What I will do, like to test whether email is coming or not. Just I will change this folder name. Okay. Just I will rename here to backups, for example. Okay. You have renamed to what? Backups. Okay. So now, what I will do now. So check it. I will go. I will run this job again manually. See, now there is no respective path, right? Respective path is not there, so it will fail. Second, job fail. Automatically here will get the email notification. You can check in MSDB here. Job fail. This is the job name here. Job name completed on this server. Fail it is saying. Now what we'll do? We'll connect to this server. Right click on this job. We can say view history. History. We can see that. Yeah, same thing, cannot open backup device, operating system error, system cannot find the path specified here. Okay. Very clear message is there. Okay. Right. Yeah. So like this, like automatically will get some email notifications with the help of what? Email notification. Okay. That is like jobs are there to automate anything. We need what? Jobs. In the same way, we have alerts are there. Here one more automation component. If you see under SQL Server agent service, we have alerts are there. Here. So by default, remember whenever we configure like log shipping replication, these alerts and jobs are automatically created. But to implement some of the scenarios here manually, we have to implement this manually. We have to create the alerts. Check here, alert is it. Basically, remember to implement something to implement something depends on some scenario or depends on some event. We have alerts are there. Okay, to implement something depends on what some scenario or depends on some event. We have alerts. Yes. For example, let's say whenever the CPU usage is above 90%, I want to get automatically email notification. CPU usage. In the same way, whenever my transaction log file reaches above 80%, automatically log backup should be generated. Okay. See, generally to take log backup, we need what? Job is required, right? To take log backup. But when the log backup should be generated at the 80%, scenario is there here. See, there is no timing like daily or weekly or some time is not there, but the job should be executed at 80%. Clear, right? Scenario is there. Okay, that means what? Like to handle this scenario, to take log backup automatically, take log backup automatically. Okay, when the alert is executed, when log file size reaches above 80%, log backup should be generated automatically. So for that purpose, to handle this scenario, remember we need both alert plus job is required for us. Both alert plus job is required for us. Okay. So the symbol what alert will do whenever log file size reaches above 80%, alert will fire. It will call the job. Job will take log backup. Job will take what? Log backup. Like this here. Means to handle this scenario, we need both actually. Alert plus job is required. Only if want to get the email, like whenever the log file size reaches above 90%, only email I want. To get only email, what we can do, only alert is enough. No need to call the job, no need to create the job. But depends on some scenario. If want to do something, then we need both alert plus job is required for us. Why? Because by default alert cannot do anything by its own. Okay, alert can do what? Alert can do alert can send the email. Alert can send the email, but it cannot perform any extra activity. To perform some extra activity depends on the scenario. We have alert plus job is required for us. Alert plus job is required. Yes, that is like various scenarios are there. Just here to perform some task depends on some scenario or event. Yeah, we have to use the alert here. See, when alert is fired, what it can do? It can send email notification as well as what? It can call the job to perform some extra task. Let's see both the activities it can perform here. Okay, so it can send the email notification whenever the alert is fired. It can send the email notification as well as it can call the job also. Okay, that's like what is the purpose of here alerts. Right. In SQL servers here we have three types of alerts are there. Yeah, which we can create actually. Uh, Check it. One is a performance condition alert. Performance condition alert. Performance condition alert is fired depends on some threshold values. Threshold values means what? CPU reaches above 80%, memory reaches above 90%, log file reaches above 80%. Those are your performance condition alerts, which is firing depends on what? Threshold values. Second one is here like event alerts are there. Event alert is fired depends on error number. So what whenever there is a runtime error like log shipping fail, mirroring fail, replication fail, automatically your event alerts are fired. Depends on what? Runtime error. The same way we have like WMI alerts are there here, Windows management instrumentation alerts. These alerts generally we are using to handle blocking deadlock scenarios. Okay, WMI alert. These are the different types of alerts are there. Three types of alerts are there in SQL Server. Let's say what we'll do. We'll see one example. We'll see what he's saying. Create an alert uh, send email notification when transaction log file size reaches above 80% and log backup should be generated, he is saying. It's what, like whenever the log file size reaches above 80%, what should happen? Alert should fire. It should take log backup also automatically. Okay, right. So check here what we can do. We can go with the alert here. See, in this, to handle this scenario, we need alert plus job is required for us. Correct, right? Why? Because job is required to take log backup so that log file is truncated, log file is cleared. But when this log backup should be generated, when the usage, whenever the log file is above 70-80% is full. Whenever the log file is above 80% full, log backup should be generated, he is saying. Okay, so that's why, like this is that's why whenever the log file size reaches above 80%, we can make the alert to fire. It will call the job to take log backup. Clear, right? To handle this scenario, we have to go with both alert plus job is required for us. Alert plus job is required to handle this scenario. Okay. Okay. Let's see what I will do. I will connect to any one instance. I will take any one database here. Check that database should not be in simple recovery model. Why? Because in simple recovery model, we do only log backups are not allowed. Properties, options. Recovery model is here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Take one time log back. Sorry, full backup. Why? Because without full backup, log backup is not allowed. Okay. Log backup cannot be generated. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Now, sir, what I will do? I will create the alert now. Sir, go to alerts. Right. Alert name test DB1 log backup at 70%. I'm saying anything. Check here which type of alert you want to create. It is saying just now we have seen three types of alerts. This is your performance condition alert. See, whenever there is a threshold value like 70%, 80%, such type of threshold value, then remember we have performance condition alerts here. Under objects here, we can go to databases. Under database percent log used, percent log use. Under instance here, like test db1, alert if counter raises above 70%. Yeah, it's whenever the yeah, whenever it reaches above 70%, automatically log backup should be generated. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is the scenario we have defined. What should happen whenever this scenario is there? What should happen? That we have to define in response. Response notified to this operator. Okay. This is our team members actually. Plus we can call the job also. Okay. Sometimes if we directly we can create the job here. Sometimes it throws error. Let's say first I'm creating the alert. Alert is ready. Now I will create a job. See here, test db1 log backup by okay. Same new step backup backup log database names here test db1 to disk is equal to some path. Parse it. Okay, correct. It is syntax is correct. Okay. Check here. We have to schedule this job or no schedule. No schedule, right? Why? Because alert will call this job whenever the log file size reaches above 80%. Alert will call this job. Okay. So, okay. Yeah. Now check it. Job is ready. Alert is ready. Again, I will go back to alert. Go to response. Here we can call the jobs here. This is our jobs here. Just now we have created. Okay. Means what? Whenever this scenario happen, so it will, yeah, it will call this job. It will send the email notification plus alert will call the job. This job will take log backup. Right? Once the log backup is generated, log file is truncated. Okay. Once the log backup is generated, log file is truncated automatically. Right. Now, sir, for testing purpose, what we'll do, we'll make some transaction which increases the log file size above 70%. Then we'll see alert is firing or not. Check here. We'll see what is the percent log use. Check it right now. It is 18% here. 18% right now. Okay. Now once this value increases above 70%, then the alert will fire. That's what I will do. I will make some bulk operations here. I will go to the database test db1 customer ID, customer name. Just actually our alert is ready just for testing purpose. I'm creating one insert customers values, customer ID, customer. Check it. These two records. I will insert 10,000 times means 20,000 records. It's meaning right. Whenever any insertion happen, we know already first changes are recorded into which file, log file, right? So that's why log file will keep on filling. Once it reaches above 70%. Once the value reaches above 70%, then log backup is generated automatically. But because alert will fire, alert will call the job will take log backup automatically. Okay, right. Check here, like I will run this command. Immediately it will start inserting data. See the log file growth, 31%. Again, here 16%. Means auto growth has happened. 38%. 40. Still query is running here. 48. 56. Query was completed. Okay, just I will increase 64%. 78 here. 24 means it has truncated actually above 70%, right? Truncated. Once again filling 75, 83, 98. Means here like whenever generally above 70% it should truncate actually, but sometimes it is going 80, 84, 87, 91. It's not truncating. We'll see whether log backup is generated or not. The drive STP log backups here. Means it is appending just now at 751. Means what? Whenever the log file size reaches above 70%, alert will fire. Alert will call the job. Job will take log backup. Once the log backup is generated, this value will come down. Why? Because log backup is generated means what? Log file is truncated. That's why this value will reduce. 70, 74, 77, 78, 81. It's not firing properly. And actually above 70 we have set. No, sir. After 76% it has log backup was generated. That's why log file is truncated. Once again it is, once it reaches above 70, again it will come down. Means query was completed. We can see here automatically backup file is generated. Means what? Alert is firing, alert is calling the job, job will take log backup. Once log backup is generated, this value will come down. Why? Because once the log backup is generated, log file is cleared, right? That's why this value will come down. Second, we can see how many times alert has fired. History, 3 times alert has fired. It has sent the email notification also, it is saying. See, 3 times it has sent the email notification. Alert is firing. Right. Like this here means what? In the background depends on some scenario or depends on some event. If we want to do something in the background, we need these alerts. The same way, we have event alerts are there. Here, event alerts are fired. We have some depends on error number. Okay. So check here, like let's say I'm saying whenever the login fail, I want to get email. Here, login failure alert. Yeah, it is appending by default. 3 times backup was generated. By default, it will append. This value will increase. This value. If we see restore header only, we can see 3 backups from this files here. If I see restore header only, say three backups are there. Backup type 2 means we have zero log backups. Three times the backup was generated. That's why this value will increase appending by default. Okay. And then whenever the login failure is there, I want to get email notification. Whenever login failure is there. Okay. Check here. Let's wait. Yeah, which type of alert? By default, sir, event alert is an error number. Generally, for login failure, we have seen a 18456 error number. 18456. Okay, login failure. Okay, just I want to get the email notification. Okay, check here whenever login failure is there, automatically this alert will fire. Okay, let's say we'll try to log in with some incorrect credentials, for example. Okay, connect. Yeah, 18456. Now immediately we can see this alert will fire. See here, just now it has fired. It will send the email notification. Like this is like one of a event alerts here. Depends on error number. The alert is firing here. Alert is firing. Right, right. So these are see like the different types of alerts are there. Here. Different types of alerts are there. Right. So like WMI alerts we'll see later in performance tuning concept. That's it, like how we are creating the jobs, how we are creating the alerts and we implement automation. And we have seen depends on the error, automatically, yeah, we are getting the email notifications.